There are three types of floor heating systems, all of which are designed to be used as the sole source of heating, and all systems achieve approximately the same temperature in the room. The three types are in-slab, in-screed, and in-glue. With in-slab heating, the thick elements are cast in the middle of the slab, with the floor finish being applied directly on top of the concrete slab. With in-screed heating, the thinner elements are installed on top of the slab and a layer of sand and cement tile bed is applied over the cables to ensure a smooth surface for tiling. With in-glue heating, the slab goes down, then a tile bed, if required, and the thinnest cable is stuck down in the required shape and the floor finish is applied directly over it. This results in heat going directly through the floor and up into the room. In-slab floor heating is a European technology and was the first floor heating system introduced to Australia. It's a storage floor heating system in that heat is generated and stored in the slab overnight using cheaper off-peak electricity. In the morning, the heat stored in the slab rises up to heat the rooms. Slab heating responds slowly because the entire mass of the concrete slab needs to be heated. These lengthy lag times can take up to a few days to heat the slab when first switched on at the beginning of winter. Slab heating sometimes requires a boost for a few hours in the evening when energy costs are at their highest. There are a number of reasons why in-slab heating is not energy efficient in Australia. Firstly, Australian architecture doesn't generally have the insulation values required to store heat efficiently and make slab heating economical. Secondly, Australian winter weather varies daily and even hourly, so an on-demand system works more efficiently in heating short, discrete periods. With an on-demand system, each room can be heated according to its own pre-programmed times during the cold mornings and cold evenings when it is required. Comparing the two, a storage floor heating system works well in Europe because heat is needed for each room on a daily basis over a consistently cold 5 to 6 month winter season. An on-demand floor heating system works better in Australia as the system is quick enough to heat only when required in the rooms that are occupied and does not need to be left on overnight or during the daytime. The unsuitable use of a European designed slab heating in an Australian climate and architecture gave rise to the reputation of floor heating being inefficient or expensive to run. Pioneering a 1.5mm thin element design, the heating is installed directly under the floor finish, that is, in the tile glue or between the underlay and the carpet or floating timber floor. Coldbuster will use less energy to heat a room than an in-screed or an in-slab system for three reasons. Firstly, because it is zoned so only occupied rooms need to be switched on. Secondly, being quicker to warm up each time the heating is turned on means less power is consumed over the lifetime of the heater. Lastly, the on-demand system requires lower design parameters because the mass it is required to heat is substantially less than an in-screed or an in-slab system. The heat naturally rises from above the screed and the slab layers. For more information why Coldbuster thin technology really is Australia's most energy efficient floor heating system, see our video on comparing your electric heating options.